Hi there, my name is Michael Jensen, the team leader for Daily Cash Team. I want you to watch this short presentation. This was the first Zoom call that the company did. Um, so enjoy the video. I'm Michael Jensen, Daily Cash Team, and we are putting this video onto a splash page so people can watch the video, and then there's a button underneath the video to sign up under the person that's on Daily Cash Team. There's going to be a button under this video. Click the button to sign up under my team member, my downline member, whoever's page that you're on the website. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Thank you.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to our first Zoom webinar. We aren't running the camera system very actively, and that is because we just want this to be a webinar. We don't want to have people be bashful about coming into our system here. Basically, we're just going to be showing the slides and having people unmute for some Q&A, etc. Now, we've done a canned presentation for this series of slides that we're going to just talk a little bit about the concept of these slides this evening and the concept of the company. But we have a canned presentation that you can have your own Zoom call, or you can send someone the link, which is wsbsslides.com. And then on these calls, we just want to go over a little bit of the concept and maybe answer some questions, get to know some people a little bit, so that these aren't boring and they're entertaining to people. Working with you, I've been doing this kind of thing for about 40 years now, retired from the government, and always looking for a way to help people in networking, because networking is tough. A lot of the products are very expensive. And just from a conceptual viewpoint, what I saw and what you put together here, Adam, is that we wanted to have a system where people, even if they didn't sponsor anybody, they could make some money. And we'll show how that works. Somebody's got to do some sponsoring. And boy, do we have people sponsoring. I'll show you just a quick thing so that you can get a flavor for what's happening. But all we're doing is asking people to look at 7 little canned little videos that we've done and get their comments and come to these meetings and come to our Facebook page. And the market is huge, Adam. I'm telling you, 64.9 million independent distributors are working multi-level marketing worldwide. 6.2 million are actively involved in MLM in the United States. 1 in 13 American adults are actively involved. But here's the rub. The big, giant, huge industry, but in many MLM companies, they aren't making enough money to afford the products. The products are great, but they don't have enough money. And so what we wanted to do was to have a very, very low cost membership in order to encourage people to learn how to do networking. We think we're a big training organization now with our great Facebook page and with what we have in the back office. People don't quit their MLM company. They come here for training, and they come here to make some money. And if they're not in MLM, they can make some money for retirement. It's only $30 a month for our membership product. And I'm telling you, in networking, you've got to have a great product. You've got to have people wanting to use the product, even if they're not sponsoring anybody. And I'm going to get in very quickly after Adam talks a little bit about the product. I'm going to get into how is it that you could make hundreds, thousands a month and not sponsor anybody with our system. That's a little teaser to hang on there. But Adam, review what people get for $30 a month. We think it's worth $90 a month, but what do they get?
Okay, well, maybe to give a little background, we started out with a probiotic product, Probiotic Plus, and that was February 19th, 2021. And we started out with a great product. People liked it. And But about 6 months around there, about 6 months after we started, it just seemed like a lot of people were struggling in the business. And, we kept talking about the pay plan a little bit here and there with certain distributors. And we were signing up about, like, if we signed up 20 people, about 20 people would drop out. And this went on for a couple of months. So we were signing up, however many people we were signing up, as many people would drop out. So I was thinking to myself, obviously, this is not going to work. We're not getting any growth. And so I don't know how it happened, but I just came up with the idea. Because I mailed out the product personally on my dining room table, no less. Every couple of days, I was packing up like 50 bottles and then doing a post office run. Putting them all in little bags and taking them to the post office and stuffing them in the post office box. And and then people would email me and tell me that the post office in Germany was holding their product because they wanted even more money. And it cost an average, it cost about $13 to $18 to mail the product internationally. And then the post office would hold the product and ask the person for even more money, which they didn't used to do that, because I had a company back in 2007 and they didn't used to do that kind of shenanigans, but now they can do it because they want to. But as we progressed on, and step by step, and we had as many signups as people were canceling, obviously something had to be done to save the company. And somehow I just came up with the idea of an autoresponder. I knew it would be digital. It would be digital. So, I wouldn't have to worry about mailing anything anymore, which I personally really like that idea. And so, I think that's how I came up with the idea, was from my experience in mailing out bottles and printing. And I had to print out all of the labels I had a little heat laser printer thing, and it would, you'd buy these things. I had it all set up in my office, and, I would print out like 50 at a time, and then I had to pack them all up. And anyway, so I kind of thought, wow, if I had a digital product, I wouldn't have to worry about mailing all these bottles anymore. And I would be worldwide instantly. And I wouldn't have to worry about the post office and the $5 it costs to buy the bottle and the $5 it costs to mail the bottle, and buying all these bubble wrap envelopes and printing out all these labels and doing all these post office runs like every other day. So I thought, wow, this would be great. So I came up with the idea of the email autoresponder, and plus people can use it to actually build step by step, or they can, use it to build another MLM company or whatever they want to do with it. And so that's how the idea of the email autoresponder was born, so to speak. And that's our main product. Our main product is the email autoresponder, and our secondary product is the customizable lead capture page. It's basically an email. It's a lead capture template that you just have to fill out the text only, and the rest of the design and everything else is already done for you. You just put in the links, put in your text, and it's done.
Hi there, my name is Michael Jensen, the team leader for Daily Cash Team. I want you to watch this short presentation. This was the first Zoom call that the company did. So enjoy the video. I'm Michael Jensen, Daily Cash Team, and we are putting this video onto a splash page so people can watch the video, and then there's a button underneath the video to sign up under the person that's on Daily Cash Team. There's going to be a button under this video. Click the button to sign up under my team member, my downline member, whoever's page that you're on the website. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Thank you.